Find the best car dash cams at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 10 best car dash cams on the market. 5. ITRUE X60 Dual Car Dash Cam Pro Stealth Full HD 1080p 170 degrees wide angle, night mode and G-sensor. Features: with 2.4 inches TFT LCD starts recording naturally upon start and loop recording without whole high resolution. Full HD videos 1920 by 1080p at 30 fps with H.264 range 6 glass f1.6 focal point and an amazingly delicate AR0330 sensor guarantee. Phenomenal quality super wide edge 174 front camera and with back camera G-sensor. Auto bolting, the video being recorded amid a vehicle impact. Wide dynamic range to catch the best light presentation between various items. GPS compatible, global positioning system for area and speed observing. 4. Full HD 1080p Zoom Series Ultra Wide Angle Dashboard Camera DVR Camcorder Recorder Car Dash Cam by Lumina. 170 degree wide angle lens. The wide point focal point enables space for more video to be caught, more information put away. With the wide edge focal point, your dash cam will get more important data out and about. Middle dot keep recording. 3. ARECORD B40D Dual Camera Dash Cam. Front and rear dual-channel car camera recorder with capacitor night vision 1080p. No internal battery with capacitor as its power source. ARECORD B40D sidesteps numerous relentless dash cam issues that are inalienable to battery utilize. ARECORD B40D's capacitor makes it don't need to stress over camera overheating and more operable in substantially higher temperature, with the capacitor B40D be the better decision in car dash cameras. 2. S3 Dual Dash Cam, 150 degrees wide angle dual lens car camera, front and rear dash cam. Dashboard camera with G-sensor by Z-Edge. Features: stealth design car black box with awesome shrouded execution on windshield, dashboard by 3M double-sided glue tape. Feature best-in-class shading CMOS picture sensor, OV4689, and processor, Novatec 96663, to catch points of interest at a separation freshly and over an assortment of light condition. Front camera can be dependent upon 2560 by 1440p 30 fps with the back view camera separated, on dual cam recording mode, catches the street ahead and the lodge in HD video, front, 1920 by 1080p 30 FHD, rear, 1920 by 1080p 30 FHD. Wide Dynamic Technology WDR is an innovation where the camera's range can be extended to cover an extraordinary traverse between the brillianter and dim territory in the image. Loop recording, consequently overwrites most established video document with freshest. 1. Rexing V1 LCD FHD 1080p, 170 wide-angle dashboard camera recorder, car dash cam with G-sensor, loop recording. 1080p FHD determination at 30 fps. The V1 is remarkable for flawless video quality. The marked plan is discreet and only offered by Rexing. The camera mounts to the windshield, remaining covered from outside the car. Wide dynamic range enables the camera to perform ideally in low-light circumstances.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.